Good afternoon and good morning. My name is Dale Richards. I am here in Vienna, Virginia at an Emerging Leaders Group. And Samantha, she was on board with trying to be with me in finance. You want to tell us a little bit about your experience today and where you're from?
My name is Samantha. I'm originally from New Jersey. I'm now living here right outside Vienna in Fairfax. I am the Director of Sales at HSP Direct, and I am new to the Emerging Leaders Group. And I'm very excited to learn more through this group. And Dale did a wonderful presentation about finance today.
Were there some particular tools you picked up today? What were they?
Absolutely. My favorite thing about today was the break-even conversation. And I know moving forward, I'm going to use that as my sales contest start date.
Awesome. Break even is defined as the day that we make enough contribution margin to pay our overhead.
Absolutely.
And strategically, you might be able to get some contracts that you didn't get before because you don't have that overhead cost.
100%. I'm
Okay.
excited to do it.
I just want to tell you that the best decision you can make in your life is to find a Vistage group and become a member. Both personally and for your business, it will give you tools that will make a difference in your life. And I highly recommend it. My name's Dale Richards. By the way, today was my 500th presentation. 500 presentations to Vistage members. I have a certified valuation firm. I've helped over 200 Vistage members with their valuation work, and I've turned around 150 companies to double to 5 times revenue, profits, and value. And I learned a lot of these tools as a Vistage chair and a Vistage member. And so here we are, Samantha and I, here today, welcoming you and want you to find a Vistage group.
Thank you very much, Dale.
Thank you. You're awesome.
Thank you.